Hey everybody, I'm Melissa Salvatore and we're here at the Greater New York Dental Show at the Vista Dental booth getting a first-hand look at Phasor, a new and innovative product for rapidly heating composite.
This is the Phasor. This is designed for rapidly heating composite. It accepts any standard composite compule that the doctor has laying around his office, and it's gonna rapidly heat it to 100.
I'm loving those lights, by the way.
Oh yeah.
It's really cool looking. Because I feel like I'm in a club, like it's very dance, disco-y. Makes things a little fun, you know?
I like your style.
All right, so when it's solid blue, we're gonna get going.
And then we're gonna get going, right?
So,
There's multiple flow settings, so depending how flowable you want it,
how flowable
you've got options.
would I want it though? Like,
you want it flowable, right? You don't want any voids in the tooth. You want it to self-level onto itself. We're ready to go.
Woo!
So when the lights
solid
turn blue,
blue
we're
light,
ready to go.
ready to rock.
Okay. So you can see how easy I'm barely,
I like it.
barely
We're flowing.
squeezing it.
Very good.
Okay. Next up, you can see how easy that is.
Nice and easy. That's not like poking anything. It's just gently packing.
Nice and creamy.
And here we go. What's this?
So this is gonna cure it. So when you heat composite and you cure it at an elevated temperature, you get increased polymerization.
Okay. Here we go.
Okay.
Not looking at the light.
Don't look at the light.
And how long is this?
It's just gonna take a few seconds.
We're
and
done.
then you're good.
Didn't even finish the sentence.
It's amazing. It looks fantastic. It's very convenient.
Very easy to use, smooth, easy, flowed well, packed well.
Well, it had a nice flowability, a nice texture, so when I squeeze it, a lot of times there's resistance with a colder material. So when it's heated, it tends to flow out and I could end up with less voids in using that material.
Traditionally, if you want to heat a composite, you'd have to heat a compule in a device, which are great, but by the time you get it to the mouth, sometimes the composite cooled off. Here, it's heated, it's immediately dispensed. I'm getting the true benefit of a heated composite.
Any composite in a device like this, especially a device that I can be ready to go in 45 seconds, that's important in the operatory.
Much easier than a traditional composite.
I love the fact that when I place the compule in, the composite just heats, and then, of course, as I depress the lever, it just flows right out the tip into the cavity prep, allowing it to fill all the walls, and it's really changed the way I practice.
Much easier for the clinician. I bet it'll reduce chair time as well.
That's good for everybody, reducing that chair time. Nobody wants to be in the chair longer than they have to.
It just came out very easy. In fact, it came out a little bit faster than I wanted until I got used to the way that to pull the trigger and for it to flow, and it was consistent even after the first pull.
I love the consistency of it as it recovers, that I can carve things to create beautiful restorations.
So the fact that it stays warm, what does that mean for you?
It just means that you can do more procedures faster and easier, and you're not dealing with having to put it back in the warmer every time. So it's just easier to use.
Great for us, great for the patients.
I would definitely use it in my practice.
This is the new wave.
Ooh, I like it, the new wave.
The new wave.
All right. Pull the trigger on heated composite. For more information about Phasor, visit vista-dental.com.